Body, aluminum frame, Gorilla Glass 5 front and back, IP68 certified for water and dust resistance, 161.9 by 76.4 by 8.8 millimeters, 201 grams. Midnight black, ocean blue, metallic copper, lavender purple color schemes. Display, 6.4, Super AMOLED, Infinity Display, 2960 by 1440 px resolution, 18.59, 2.06, 1, aspect ratio, 516 pixels per inch, HDR10 compliant, no Dolby Vision. Rear camera. Primary 12MP, Type 1 f/2.55, sensor, f/1.5 to 2.4 aperture, 26mm equivalent, focal length, dual pixel PDAF, OIS, secondary 12MP, Type 1/3.4, sensor, f/2.4 aperture, 52mm equivalent, focal length, autofocus, OIS. 2x zoom, 2160p, 60 fps, 1080p, 240 fps slow motion, 720p, 960 fps super slow motion video recording. Front camera, 8MP, f/1.7 aperture, autofocus, 1440p, 30 fps video recording. OS, software, Android 8.1 Oreo. Samsung Experience 9.0, Bixby Virtual Assistant, Smart Connect Home. Chipsets, Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 octa-core CPU, 4x2.7 GHz Creo 385 Gold and 4x1.7 GHz Creo 385 Silver. Adreno 630 GPU. Exynos 9810, octa-core CPU, 4x3 Rode Gen Mongoose 2.7 GHz plus 4X Cortex A55 1.8 GHz, Mali G72 MP18 GPU. Memory, 6/8 GB of RAM, 128 512 GB of storage, micro SD slot for cards up to 512 GB. Battery, 4000 mAh LiPo, sealed, adaptive fast charging, same as S7, S8, S9, Quick Charge 2.0 support, WPC, Qi, and PMA wireless charging. Connectivity, single SIM. Dual SIM available in certain markets, hybrid slot, LTE-A, 4-band, 5-band carrier aggregation, Cat.18, 1.2 gigabits per second, 150 megabits per second, USB Type-C, V3.1, Wi-Fi, B per gram, N, AC MU-MIMO, GPS, GLONASS, Beidou, Galileo. NFC, Bluetooth 5.0, MISC, Bluetooth-enabled S Pen stylus with 4096 pressure levels and multimedia controls, fingerprint, iris, face recognition, stereo speakers tuned by AKG, 3.5mm jack. Bundled AKG headphones, deck stock compatibility.